I just be born like rage. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep it packed, never hop in the jet. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike. I'm gonna be doing a hair care treatment using black castor oil. This oil helps your hair grow extremely fast. I'm gonna be using this oil to grow my tapered hairline back very fast. So stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shine. I'm back with another video. Now today I'm gonna be revealing the hairline that my barber just fixed. Remember I told y'all niggas he fucked up my hairline, bro. Like he actually fucked up my hairline. But my new barber not only fixed my hairline, as you can see he fixed my eyebrows too. This nigga literally brought my hairline back to life, bro. So y'all ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. You feel me, bro? Like, he really brought my shit back to life, bro. I wish I had a brush right now so I could really see how I actually look, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This looked 10 times better than before, bro. See how my hairline is straighter now, bro? I know it's not fully recovered, but it looks pretty good. I've been using castor oil this whole time. As you can see, my hairline is much straighter. Everything lines up. So this is 100% proof. Castor oil works. And that's today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope you guys learned from it. Like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out, bro. Get